Hey guys! So this is our first YouTube video.
And this is also our first mukbang. And for this, we're doing McDonald's.
So we have Big Macs and fries.
And then we also have a bunch of sauces. So,
So we don't know how to edit. So if our editing's like bad, then
oh well,
sucks.
I guess. So yeah,
So we're just gonna be talking and
about
eating, basically.
stuff. So
Yeah.
And my birthday, or my age right now is 12.
I'm 10. She's only 1 year older than me because her birthday already passed this year.
And for her birthday this year, we're gonna go to Laughlin.
She's just mad because my birthday's in the summer.
No.
And we go to Laughlin every year.
For her birthday. So,
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell our dad to get us drinks, so
that's
we just got water. Don't talk to me like that.
I'm not gonna do anything. So, we did a mukbang because first we were gonna do a makeup video, but it didn't go as planned. It was bad. So, we decided to do a mukbang.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
We were gonna do an ASMR video.
Ew.
We literally had our list, but her dad said no. Because we were gonna go to the store and he said no to go into the store.
Mukbang's better anyways.
We
She
thought he
wanted to
was
do
gonna say no to going to McDonald's.
I got mad when she said no. But since I had the idea of a mukbang,
Cause like, yeah.
we both thought he was gonna say no.
Oh yeah, and please get us some views and likes. We'll try to post like every weekend. But when we go on like summer break, we'll post more often.
Way more. And our videos are gonna be about like pranks
Challenges.
and then probably more mukbangs. Hopefully. So yeah. I'm gonna get you so bad if you do things.
And sometimes we'll like kind of do vlogs.
And we also might have our own
Channels.
channel.
I don't know. She did. I think she signed me into the one we're doing right now.
Mukbang?
No,
Oh yeah.
like into this account.
It didn't work.
It didn't.
No.
Yeah, it didn't work. So I'll make my own if we even get views and likes.
Hopefully we do. And I started a channel and I made a video with my other cousin, but it was bad, so I just deleted it. And it was on a different channel.
She's literally putting buffalo sauce on her Big Mac.
Okay.
I mean, I do that on my like cheeseburgers.
It's the same thing.
That's not. Ugh, your Big Mac's messed up.
Look at It's like, it's coming out.
I'm gonna dip mine in buffalo and barbecue.
That's nasty.
That's good. You don't like buffalo sauce?
A prank that I want to do on you. A prank that I want to do on her. It's like a cockroach prank.
Well, why would you tell me? You're
with
so
a-
stupid.
With like a real cockroach. And I have to go to like a pet store and buy it.
I'm gonna buy a snake and let it eat you. That's gonna be a prank.
You're not going to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Watch me.
So, one of my hobbies, some facts about me. Like one of
Nobody
my hobbies are to swim and to watch YouTube videos. That's kind of it. That's all I like doing.
Did you just see that?
What?
This guy. It was literally like clouds and then like a flash of white.
I was lightning. No.
No.
Ew, my hamburger. Jeez, you can really eat.
Mhm. Cause you're taking
She eats
time.
fast.
Cause you're taking time putting your sauce.
My bun is coming out. Open.
Maybe if you guys go to Starbucks, order the ice cream tea lemonade sweetened. We were literally there and we forgot to say sweetened, and the girl was like already making it. She was like done, and we were like, the
She
two
got all mad because we told her to change the drink.
ice cream tea lemonades, can you make them sweetened? And she already finished making them, and she looked at us like,
Mm-mm. She didn't finish. She was like half done.
you know, she was about to put the caps on.
Oh. And she like rolled her eyes.
And she had to remake the whole drink.
That's her job. Let her.
You should have seen how much straws we took. Like, okay, so
Can you stop talking with your mouth open?
you know how plastic straws kill turtles, basically? We collect
started
straws.
a thing.
And we literally took so many straws, there was like none left. So we both grabbed a handful, and then we shoved it into our pocket. And whenever we were about to go outside to take pictures of our drinks, we grabbed more. And then we went back inside and we grabbed
There was like 5
so many.
straws left.
I grabbed 40 straws from them.
I grabbed like 20. Because I started this thing to like collect straws to like help animals, turtles. And me and Jasmine, we steal straws from stores. And Kayleen, she gets mad because it's cheating apparently, but it's still saving that turtle, so then other people would use them and they'd kill turtles. So. You're done with your fries and your hamburger.
Mm-hmm. Just tell me, I was eating fast.
Damn it. You eat fast.
Yeah, because you're going. Ew, that was disgusting. Okay.
Hamburger. So, I don't like that buffalo sauce.
Cool.
What's your guys' favorite sauce from McDonald's? Comment down below.
Mine is
Mine's sweet and sour.
yeah.
So,
Oh, what's your favorite Starbucks drink?
mango dragon fruit.
I need either mango dragon fruit, strawberry acai, or ice cream tea, lemonade sweetened.
So, like the type of videos that we'll be posting every weekend, but not that far from now. We'll be posting videos like every other couple of days because it's almost summer and school's almost over, so we can post more often. And we'll be posting about like anything. Like, I don't want to do pranks on you. Okay. Ew, my hamburger.
I know, your hamburger is messed up. Can you hurry up and finish?
No.
Shut your bubblegum nose. I'm just kidding. You almost choked on your. Ew! I saw that. Ew! It's all over your hand. I can hear you chewing.
I'm sorry. My wow.
It's
Cold, nasty. Cause
It
you
was,
wanted to.
it was raining earlier. I keep seeing it. Like the whole thing is about. The whole thing. I keep seeing it.
Whoa.
Did you see that? It's
Mhm.
so cool. Like, wait, why am I
That's
back?
weird.
Look, whoa, that's so
I just
cool.
stay back now.
Oh, that's so cool.
So, Jasmine wanted to do a video. This video. Wanted to do our first video swimming.
Oh yeah.
I said no.
You want to do our first video makeup,
You want to do a swimming, like people don't want to watch us swim.
and people don't want to watch us do makeup.
You wanted to do makeup too.
Yeah, so we're gonna end the video here because she takes forever to eat. Hopefully you guys thought this video was funny. Yeah.
Ew.
So yeah. We'll make an outro in the next video.
No,